Welcome to SoluQuest Life Education Series by Adept Skills. I am Surekha Sridhar and today's topic is Fear of Failure, Part 1. Chinmaya was feeling stressed about the final exam the next day at the Gurukula, and more than anything he was stressed about expectations his parents had on him. Chinmaya was finding it difficult to shrug away the fear which was engulfing him for the past couple of weeks. Jayadratha's words were ringing in Chinmaya's ears constantly. A month ago, Jayadratha, the Prime Minister of Udaygiri Kingdom and father of Chinmaya, had visited the Gurukula to meet Paramacharya Subodha to seek his counsel on an important matter relating to the country. During that visit, Jayadratha made it a point to meet his son briefly and pour out his concerns. He said, "Son, you need to concentrate well on your studies and excel in your exam. On the day of your final exam, you need to answer all the questions with courage, logic, and a proper analysis. You need to gain the appreciation of the king, and only then he will offer you a good position in the court. You need to learn the tricks and trades of survival in the king's administration system. You should earn your position as a minister and then as the Prime Minister of this country." Chinmaya has always been a good student. He worked hard and obeyed all the rules of the Gurukula. He always scored good grades and was well known for his initiative, ingenuity, and resourcefulness. He knew that he was well prepared for the exam and the placement interview. But there was a kind of cold fear slowly creeping in and not allowing him to be his normal brave self. Chinmaya, lost in his thoughts, strolled out of the Gurukula and unintentionally moved deep into the woods. He did not realize that he had already entered the thick forest where wolves and leopards moved freely. The sun was drowning into the western horizon and birds were chirping noisily while returning to their respective homes. "Chinmaya!" a loud cry echoed in the deep woods. Dismayed, Chinmaya, who was lost in his thoughts, suddenly realized that he had ventured deep into the forbidden woods. He turned back to see who called his name and realized that Acharya Bhaumika had come in search of him. Acharya Bhaumika, who took attendance of the students during the evening prayer, realized that Chinmaya was missing from the ashram and came in search of him. This was a common affair every year just before the doomsday, the examination. One or more students ventured out into the woods in a stressed state of mind, and he always came in search of them and accompanied them back to the Gurukul safely. Acharya Bhaumika put his hand on Chinmaya's shoulder in assurance and asked him, "What is the matter, my boy? What is the worry which is troubling you?" Chinmaya was on the verge of crying and asked in a faint voice, "Acharya, what if I fail? What if I cannot answer the questions of the examination committee? What if the king is not impressed with my answers?" Continued in part 2.